Audio is really very important to motovloggers like us. Not just the good videos that we put out or the good quality videos in terms of resolution and so forth, but audio as well. So this, in a sense, is going to be my review of a few things that's going to help me improve a little bit on the audio setup. So why don't we just take it on the road? Hello everyone, my name is Fletch, and today I'll be doing a review of the PAL mic, the GoPro Hero 8 Medium Mod, and this little black thing that you see here, which is called the Windjammer. Now I got this particular setup to see how I can improve the audio. The PAL mic, of course, was something that I saw in Riding in the Ozarks channel. That's Mike from Riding in the Ozarks, and his audio was really awesome, and what's even really good about it is the fact that he's wearing a half helmet, so he gets all that wind noise. I even tried it out, to be honest, with an open face helmet, my Bell Custom 500, but that didn't work. I'll leave some pictures here to show you what my setup looks like. But because of the wind noise, and even with the shield or the face shield on the helmet, it didn't really work. At high speeds I was getting a lot of wind noise, which didn't really help me very much. And I think we discovered that probably in his setup for Riding in the Ozarks was that he had a very large windshield on his glide, so that probably took a lot of the wind out, and the fact that he was very crystal clear in his audio was what really gotten me into trying this out. And you know, to me, if this all works out, then that would be great. So if you notice this little black thing that you see here around my helmet, that is basically the Windjammer, and I got that idea from BB and Crow. She actually has a video out about it, so I'll put a little description in the cards above and the description below of that particular video, and also leave a link in Amazon where you can actually get it. And I think hopefully it should be able to cut most of the wind noise out. That's why it's called the Windjammer, right? And all of this is about trying to get the best audio possible. And of course, finally, if you notice that the look of the GoPro is a little bit different, and that's because it's actually the GoPro Hero 8 on the Medium Mod. And hopefully the quality of the sound is as good as it was with the adapter. And the other reason why I got this was that because I could do vlogs and stuff, which would be another part of this series on the audio setups. And the most important thing is that I don't have to cart around this big little brick, you know, of a mic adapter, which then makes it really difficult, and it sticks out, and then you have to get another kind of mount for it, and then it becomes really heavy. You know, the Ace Customs that I have is pretty light. It's a carbon fiber. Now the whole idea of this test is to be able to see this entire setup and how it handles in a vlog, a motor vlog like this. I can hear a significant amount of wind noise in the helmet, and hopefully the audio sounds good, because like I said, the reason behind all these this entire setup here, full face with the Windjammer and of course the Medium Mod, is to be able to see if I could do a standard motor vlog with this particular setup. Going back to the topic of good audio, I think we've all tried so many things. I think the standard mic that most of everyone's using is the Purple Panda. I think that's what it's called. in my case, I'm using the power mic here, and for my secondary audio on my GoPro Hero 5 is actually the Saramonic wireless mic. I really do hope that this audio sounds pretty good. So I'm going to do a little U-turn. Again, we're still in kind of a lockdown, but things are opening up here. So hopefully I'll be able to go out a little bit more. We still can't cross the border because there's a pretty lockdown. Here's a funny thing. Across from where we are, across the border, is a place called Malaysia. And what's happening is that they're saying, yeah, you can come across, no problem, you know, but you gotta pay a deposit of $1,000, because if you are contracted with the C word, or worse still, you are just forced to be quarantined, you'll be put up in a hotel for sure, but at your cost, man. I think that sucks. So that's not going to happen soon. I'm not prepared to put that kind of money in. You'll never know how they are. They probably might just insist that you have an additional stay at a hotel at the border, and the border hotels are already pretty disgusting. So no amount of money that we pay is going to give us a good hotel, and $1,000 should be able to get us a good hotel anyway. Like I said, hopefully I don't have to rely on my secondary audio, and that everything works out fine. I know for sure that if I'm doing 60 kilometers an hour or less, that the wind noise is going to be negligible. Right now it's doing 80. It doesn't sound so bad. Well folks, that's about it for my vlog for today. The test of the Windjammer, the medium mod, and of course the power mic. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and of course ring the notification bell to let you know of the next video that I'm putting. Once again folks, thank you very much, and you guys have safe rides and be safe.